days are gone without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are gone without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing y'all how I cut these layers into this closure wig and how I went from like a deep curly to almost bone straight. So if you want to see how I did that, then just keep watching. Okay, we're in the middle of doing my makeup, but I'm so impatient and I was gonna do my face first and then like finish up with the wig, but I think I'm gonna just go back and forth with it. I really want to, you know, get this over with. So I'm about to cut this lace and see what I can do with this hair. But as y'all can see, the curls kind of dropped, obviously, because it's wet. I actually like this wavy look, but we're gonna see what I do to it. So I flat ironed the hair and this is how it's looking, but I'm about to cut some layers into it. I'm gonna use this razor comb and just start combing.
Some say the X make the sex spectacular. Make me lick you from your neck to your back, then you're shivering, tongue delivering, chills up that spine, that ass is mine. Skip the wine and the candlelight, no crush down tonight. It's alright with you, we fucking. Deja vu, the blood spark, finger fucking in the park, pissy off Bacardi dog. Remember when I used to play between your legs? You beg for me to stop because you know where it would head. Straight to your mother's bed, not the Marriott. We'd be lucky if we found a spot next to your sister. Damn, I really missed her. Way she used to rub my back when I hit that. Way she used to giggle when your ass would wiggle. Now I know you used to sweets at the Parker Meridian, trips in the Caribbean, but tonight no ends.
You must be used to me crying, crying.
And another one.
While you're out bumping and grinding, but I'm leaving you tonight. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I can't keep running back to you. You must be used to me crying, crying.
And another one.
While you're out bumping and grinding, but I'm leaving you tonight.
And another one.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Here's another one. What?
I think I found my strength to finally get up and leave. No more broken heart for me, no more telling you lies to me. Looking like I got my head on right, so now I see. No more giving you everything.
So this is how my hair ended up turning out. As you can see, I got the layers. This hair is very like thick. I don't know the density, but it will be down below, but it's very thick. I did cut it a little bit along with like the layers, but I think this is the best type of style for like closures, because usually when you have layers like this, you don't need to like put it behind your ear or anything. Yeah, I think I might fix the part a little bit. So I want to thank YGwigs for this wig. It was very easy to work with. I didn't really have to pluck it that much, as y'all saw. It came a different texture, but it flat ironed very well. So thank y'all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.